The next issue of the Tonic Studios Card-Making Collection has arrived. Issue 5 features a gorgeous floral theme full of bright, fresh colours, swirling spring patterns, and incredible projects for you to complete. The magazine includes a 7-in-1 Floral Cuff die set, co-ordinating A6 embossing folder, 10 beautiful image and sentiment stamps, and 122 stunning papers and toppers. In the 68-page magazine, you'll find tutorials for all occasions, gifts, wedding inspiration, garden party ideas, and much more. There's even a sneak peek behind the scenes at Tonic Studios and a chance to win £500 worth of Tonic prizes. The latest issue of the Tonic Studios Card-Making Collection, full of products with over £50, but for the brilliant price of £12.99. Launching Thursday the 19th of April at 8 AM, only on Achanda.